Ayos Health Card Commission Payout. Paano nga ba ito nagwo-work? Simple lang. Ang magiging basihan ng commission payout mo ay ang verified date ng iyong sales payment. Hindi lang ang date kung kailan ito na-submit. For example, nag-submit ka ng sales noong Saturday, May 2, 2026. Pero na-verify ang payment mo noong Monday, May 4, 2026. Ang commission payout mo ay marirelease sa next Friday payout cycle, which is May 15, 2026. Take note, may cut-off tayo every Friday at exactly 3 p.m. Lahat ng verified payments before Friday 3 p.m. ay masasama sa susunod na Friday commission release. Kapag naman ang verification ay lumagpas ng Friday 3 p.m. cut-off, automatic na ito masasama sa next payout cycle. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin ang commission rate. Kapag ikaw ay isang FA or full I associate, you will earn 10% commission based on the net premium of your sales. At kung ikaw naman ay isang SA or sub-I associate, you will earn 5% commission based on the net premium of your sales. Kaya siguraduhin kumpleto at tama ang submission para mas mabilis ang verification at payout ng iyong commission. Help more, earn more. Dito sa iOS Card. Thank you for watching!